Welcome back, everyone. Today we are exploring chapter 1, Shloka 15 of the Bhagavad Gita. This verse is not just about the action on the battlefield, it encapsulates profound spiritual insights and the theme of divine support. Let's jump right in. Let's take a look at the verse itself. In this verse, we learn that the Kuch named Panchajanya is blown by Lord Krishna, creating a resounding echo across the battlefield, symbolizing readiness and divine intervention as the battle approaches. This powerful moment sets the tone for what's to come. The Kuch Panchajanya holds deep symbolism, divine assistance. Its sound signifies divine support of Krishna's to the Pandavas as they prepare for battle. Life application. Just as the Kunj calls forth Krishna's guidance, we can seek support from higher sources, whether through faith, mentor, or wise counsel. Empowerment. Embracing this divine support can empower us to face life's challenges with strength and confidence. This shloka also emphasizes the importance of recognizing and embracing our duties. Recognition. Understanding our responsibilities is crucial of our personal growth and fulfillment. Preparation. Equip yourself with knowledge and skills necessary to fulfill your role. Action. Step into your responsibility with courage and commitment, just like Pandavas prepared for battle. Next, let's explore the significance of intention in our actions. Clarity. Set clear intentions for what you want to achieve, which helps direct your energy effectively. Inspiration. By having focused intentions, you can inspire others to join you in your pursuits. Unity. Foster a spirit of collaboration and teamwork towards shared goals. Together we can achieve more. The teaching of this verse urges us to uphold our values. Uphold values. Act in accordance with your principles, ensuring your actions reflect your belief. Face challenges. Look at the obstacle not as roadblocks but as opportunities for personal growth and learning. Lead by example. Your righteous actions can inspire those around you to do the same, creating a positive ripple effect. Let's wrap up with some key lessons from this shloka. Seek guidance. Always connect with higher wisdom and support in your journey. Embrace purpose. Commit to your duties and responsibilities with bravery and resolve. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of chapter 1, Shloka 15 of the Bhagavad Gita. Remember, the teachings here are timeless and they offer us profound insights for our everyday lives.